So we're going to simplify 15 out of 20. To do that, we need to know what the highest common factor is of 15 and 20 so that we can divide by the numerator and denominator by that number. So I'm going to look at my factor pairs. So I've got 15 and I've got 20. So factor pairs for 15, 1 times 15, 2 doesn't go into it, 3 times 5, 4 doesn't go into it, and then 5 we're repeating ourselves. Factor pairs for 20, 1 times 20, 2 times 10, 3 doesn't go into it, 4 times 5, and then 5 we're repeating ourselves. So then we're looking at which is the biggest number in both of these lists, and we've got that it's 5. So now I'm going to go back to my question and I'm going to divide both the top and bottom by 5. Now doing this does not change the value of this fraction. It will be an equivalent fraction. It will just be in its simplest form. So 15 divided by 5 is 3. 20 divided by 5 is 4. So my answer is 3/4.